Some journeys are planned. Others become unforgettable adventures. Join the 10 of us as we leave Mongolia's vibrant capital Ulaanbaatar behind and head deep into the heart of the legendary Gobi Desert in a convoy of old but remarkably reliable minivans. Every mile brings a new surprise. We travel through breathtaking granite mountains, landscapes that look like the surface of the moon, towering cliffs, endless steppes, and magnificent sand dunes. Most of the time, there are no paved roads, only an ever-changing maze of dirt, gravel, and sandy tracks stretching across one of the world's most remote landscapes. Adventure is never far away. Our vans sink into soft sand. We all jump out to push. Tires are changed in the middle of nowhere, and occasional breakdowns become part of the experience. Our incredible drivers face every challenge with calm confidence and a smile, reminding us that the best stories are rarely found on smooth roads. We find ourselves caught in both a fierce sandstorm and a powerful rainstorm, adding yet another layer of excitement to the journey. Along the way, we spend our nights in traditional Mongolian yurts, sometimes in comfortable tourist camps, other times as guests of welcoming local families. We share unforgettable moments with the people we meet, while our wonderful guide takes care of every detail, making us feel at home no matter where the journey leads. Despite the generations between us, our group quickly becomes one big traveling family, sharing laughter and unforgettable memories every single day. We encounter wild beauty everywhere. Herds of horses, camels, yaks, goats, and sheep roaming the vast open plains. We ride horses and camels and discover ancient monasteries, temples, and cultural treasures that tell the story of Mongolia's rich heritage. Our adventure becomes even more special as we experience the Yak Festival, watching thrilling traditional races. We also witness Mongolia's greatest celebration, Naadam, where wrestling, horse racing and archery bring centuries-old traditions vividly to life. And after days filled with exploration, we gather around delicious local meals, ending unforgettable evenings with the traditional Mongolian barbecue beneath the vast open sky. This is more than a road trip. It's a journey across one of the last truly wild places on Earth, a land of endless horizons, extraordinary people, and adventures you'll never forget. Over the coming weeks, we'll take you deeper into the Gobi Desert and central Mongolia, across breathtaking landscapes, into ancient monasteries, vibrant festivals, and unforgettable encounters with Mongolia's people, wildlife, and traditions. Subscribe and join us for every step of this incredible journey. The best is yet to come.